Hey YouTube, HDE-Tech here. Welcome back to another unboxing video. This is going to be a quick one. There's already plenty of AirTag unboxings on YouTube already. So just got back from the Apple store, got two individual AirTags, two 4-packs as you could see. Got two color variations of the leather loops, red and brown. And same colors of the key ring, they call them. All right, so let's start with a 4-pack AirTag. How you guys doing, by the way? It's been a while. Let's dive right into it. Voila. Documentation. Boom. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that presentation. Gotta give it to Apple. Da, 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 da. Now you will never be lost. Alright, so let's pop one out. Cute little device, very manageable. My thumbs are medium size, so just for reference. Alright, so you basically just unwrap it, shiny. Unwrap the other side. Now this right here is your activation right there. So you just there was a little notification that this is now active and ready to be paired. So let's put these aside for now. Let's grab this keychain. All right, it's got a tag. Let's see here. Okay. Voila. Whoa. You know, the guy at the Apple store was saying, I don't know if it's true, but he was saying that the leather that they use is Louis Vuitton leather, but unverified. So I guess we pop this out. Little tag comes out. I don't know exactly how you put it in. Ta-da! Oh, I think I put it upside down. Oh well. Already smudgy. Doesn't focus. Doesn't focus. Hang on. There we go. Kind of nice, feels quality. I like it. Let's do the loop, red color loop. Ooh, look at that product red color right there. That feels nice. Alright, so let's try popping the same one in this. Let's try to voila. I don't know if it's focusing well, but it's not bad. I guess it's supposed to go like this. Ta-da! Okay. Well, it was a quick one. Thank you very much for watching, and check with you guys later.